Okay, so we're going to show you, this video is going to teach you how to walk you through the simple measurement of a luminescent plate. So the first thing we're going to do is click on the protocol button, and we're going to click on Luminescence and New. We're going to choose the endpoint if we're just going to scan the plate regularly, or if we have kinetic reactions, we choose those. We're going to type in a name for that plate. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to choose the plate type that we're using, CoStar, Corning. There's a whole bunch of different plates here. In this case, we're using a Corning, a BMG plate, and we're going to make sure that the lens is selected from the list. We're going to go over to the Layout tab next, and we're going to choose our samples by clicking on the samples where our wells are and letting go. You can see that I've chosen 8 samples here. We can also put in blanks and standards if we know that we have those. And then we click on OK. To run that protocol, we're going to click on the green light tab here, and you'll see that that is already highlighted, so we're just going to double click on it. We're going to enter in any information we want here, notes about the reaction, the time, the reaction experiment, whatever that might be in these notation fields. And then we're going to click on the gain adjustment tab. So for luminescence, what we're going to do is, if we have a known brightest tab, I'm going to enter 90 for the required value. I'm going to click on the brightest well, and I'm going to click well adjustment for the gain. This will automatically go out and identify and set the highest value, so nothing is going to be saturated when we scan for luminescence in these lanes, in these wells. And you can see that the gain adjustment has been found automatically. If you don't know what the brightest well is, you can click on 96 and then plate gain adjustment, and it will go out and automatically identify the value for each lane and find out which one is the brightest. It takes about 4 seconds per well, and you can see that it identified the gain value there. When it's done that, we click on Start Measurement, and it's going to go scan through and show us the current state display and the numbers for those readings on that particular plate. You can see our blank and our lowest values all the way up to our highest values. In this case, the luminescence, the highest value is 200,000 units, so we're not saturating those values, and we've captured a great luminescent measurement.